I'm living the dream. I'm back to San Ignacio. This time I'm camping. This is my camping setup. I mean, heaven. What can I say? It's heaven. I'm at the river. Life just couldn't be better. So I'm recharging my batteries here after this extreme adventure on a mule. And tomorrow we'll be heading to the coast. But meanwhile, let me just enjoy this. How's my hair? I know it's bad, but there is hope. I think in 3 days I should get to a town where I could get my hair done, but that's later. I just wanted to say, I'm so relaxed. I feel like a jelly. Because all I did was just swimming, chilling, eating, swimming, chilling, eating for 3 days, 2 days. It was magic. Yes, but we're back on the road today. We need to keep going. We're heading back to the Sea of Cortez, so the east coast of Baja. And apparently everyone's saying this, that this is the best part of Baja. So I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be great. Yes, Chile, let's go. I'm going to miss this place. So long. San Ignacio. Stay cool. Oh wow! Did you see that bird? We're back to the Sea of Cortez. I'm afraid climate hasn't changed here. It's very humid and it's 32 degrees. Okay, not too bad. I mean, it's 32, but it's very humid. You can feel it. It's very sticky. What are these birds? There's so many. They look like eagles, sort of type. I'm not sure. I'm not a bird expert. Look at them. Huh. We made it to Santa Rosalia. So here, I'll do a little stop because apparently there is this super special church. I think this is the main square. This is the city center. It's a cute little town. I was not expecting that. Chile, where are we going to park here? A little bit of space here? Yes, exactly right here. So the reason this church is so special is, well, it was designed by Eiffel. Same guy who designed Eiffel Tower. Okay, I'll show it to you now from close. Ta-da! This church is made out of steel. It's a steel construction. It's very interesting. He designed it in France and then they brought it to here, to Baja, and then they assembled it here. I've never seen a church like this before. Ever, anywhere. So interesting, truly. I just had a lovely lunch. Not too far from the church. There was a nice cafe. I had a nice baguette. And then I just had a lovely lunch. Not too far from the church. There was a nice cafe. I had a nice baguette. And then I just had a lovely lunch. Not too far from the church. There was a nice cafe. I had a nice baguette. And then I just had a lovely lunch. Not too far from the church. There was a nice cafe. I had a nice baguette. So yes, this city was settled by French. That's why we have Eiffel Church. That's why we can eat baguettes in the cafe. And the whole vibe reminds me a little bit of Louisiana. It all makes sense. This city definitely has a unique vibe, but we're not staying here. We're gonna keep going to another town. Let's see what's there. There are so many stop signs in Baja. It's crazy. I think I'm gonna do a runner here. There's too many stop signs there. Oh, is it one way? Oh no, maybe it was one way. Okay. Okay, let's just keep going. Let's not get in trouble, Kinga. We have made it to Ulega. I don't know how you pronounce it. Maybe like that. And here in this town, the river joins the ocean. So this is a very similar scenario to what we had in the morning. Well, we're gonna see a lot of palm trees at the river. Straight. Hi, hola. Oh, this is cool. I think this is still after the Independence Day. All these decorations. I left. Huh. So cool. That looks like a very old hotel. Alright. Oh, they have cute little cabins here, but I'm not sure if there's anyone here. That looks like it's empty. Oh, I got such a good deal here. I'll show you where I am. This is so cute. Gracias, señora. This is such a cool place. So I got a great deal for this little cabin. I even got a wine. Seriously, on arrival. This lady gave me wine. That's so nice of her. And are you ready? Ta-da! So this is actually an old trailer that's been renovated. It's so cute, right? And I have an aircon. Dream come true, I tell you. Whew. So yeah, I got it for 800 pesos. I think normally this cabin is 1,000, but it's maybe because it's low season and maybe because I just rocked up. I didn't book it online. I don't know. I just got a really good deal for, and I'm forever grateful to these guys because it's fantastic, right? This is exactly what I needed. If you don't want to camp in that heat. The sun is going down. Now I can show you this place. It's so cute. Okay, so here we go. We have trailers here. They're all different sizes. Here we have a kitchen. You can cook for yourself. It's awesome because there is a fridge as well. And this A-frame. Cute little cottages are so cute. Apparently there are 2 beds. There's one big bed in the middle, so you have plenty of space. Here we have a bar. So when you have a lot of people, this is the place to be, I guess. Awesomeness. I'm so pleased I found this place. I made myself a delicious salad for dinner. Life is good. Good morning. I had a wonderful night here. So I was hoping I'll do some wild camping on one of these beautiful beaches here, but it's so hot and humid still at this time of the year that I will skip camping for now. So I'm heading to Loreto, where I'll be having a little break because I'm totally overdue for a break. I'm in Baja for 5 weeks now. This is the way I travel. So I'll be stopping for a week to catch up on my content, work, chill, relax, recharge, wait for weather to cool down, maybe, hopefully. So that's the plan. That's beautiful. So you do have options for camping and being under this little shelter, I guess. But still, it's so humid. I'm gonna wait a week and then start camping on this coast. Oh, this is spectacular. A lot of little islands. This is beautiful, right? How was that for a flight? What a gorgeous spot, right? No wonder this is a hot spot. These beaches along this coast, this particular section, are very popular in a season. Right now, there's not too many people because it's 36 degrees and I don't know what's the humidity, but I'm literally just sweating. The moment you stop the bike, you just your t-shirt is wet. But I had to stop just to show you this view. Epic. I'd say it's epic. It's a shame I can't camp here because I can't do it. So terrain has changed here in this part of Baja. Now we're going through, it looks like a forest of skinny tall cactuses. Like, see? The further south we go, the hotter it gets. It's 39 degrees Celsius. Bienvenidos a Loreto. We made it to Loreto. Ooh, this is nice. I'm gonna show it to you because it's so cool. We're at the coast. How's that? Or a nice view. I took a scenic route so you can see it. So we are actually not staying in this town. We're going to the next town, and I'll be staying. I think I should call them my friends, although we've never met. But the friends of my friends who are my followers, they offered me a place to stay while they are away. So this is the deal. I'll be in their apartment for a week, working, chilling, and recharging my batteries. So I stopped here to do some groceries because I'm not planning with the house for quite some time. I just need to be stationary. This is how I rest. Like, I need to not ride and just be stationary. And then I recharge. So yes, so we're leaving Loreto for now and we're heading to this apartment first. Just to relax. And apparently there's a pool. Chile, dream come true. This is gonna be so good, so good. Wow, they have a golf course. This looks very nice, Chile. This looks really nice. Look at that. Wow. I wouldn't mind living in a place like this at all. Beautiful. I think that apartment there somewhere. I think so. Let's get there first and see. Okay, we need to work it out first. But we made it. This will be my home for a week. this is where I belong. Yep. This is gonna be a very good week.
One week later.
So we made it to the attraction of the day, San Javier Mission, you know, a church. It's a very old one. Spanish built it back in the days. It's placed in this spectacular location amongst these beautiful mountains. The road here was awesome, a lot of twisties. So I think we're up high, and I was hoping the temperature is going to be a little bit lower, but I arrived here at 5 p.m. and it was still like 36 degrees. Whew. But it's okay, I'm not complaining because the sun is gone. Okay, let's fly a drone to see this highlight of the day from the sky. Did you see that? The whole church is in the shape of a cross. If we didn't fly a drone, we wouldn't know. I made myself a delicious lunch. So how would I call it? Well, I would call it tomato soup with pasta, avocado, corn, dehydrated veggies, that sort of stuff. This is the first time I've done this, so let's try. It's very good, it's very good. And this is my beautiful view